Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi, my brothers and sisters. This is another verse from the Quranic reflection series, and it is from Surah Al-Baqara. فَاسْتَبِقُوا الْخَيْرَاتِ, race towards goodness. And this is verse 148. This verse addresses the fact that our competitions should be in righteousness. So the first point of reflection is that the competition that we should be engaged in is not one for the accumulation of material goods. It shouldn't dominate our lives. The Prophet ﷺ addressed our unending greed for the trappings of this life, saying, if a son of Adam had 2 valleys of gold, he would desire a third. For nothing will fill him besides the earth of his grave. That's the nature. The more you have, the more you want. The grass is always green on the other side. The second point of reflection is that the Prophet ﷺ advised us to look to those below us and not those above us, in order to avoid belittling Allah's favors on us. And this is what happens to most people. The good that they have in their lives, they can't see, they can't recognize it, because they've belittled it. It's just nothing. Other people have so much more. So they can't appreciate what they have. And of course, that makes life miserable. The third point of reflection is that we should be competing with those around us in righteous deeds. By looking to those below us, there are no end of good things we can do to alleviate the sufferings of the poor, destitute, refugees, etc. So there's so much there for us to do if we just look to those below us rather than those above us. Barakallahu feekum. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.